In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just fine-tuning a document, these tools will make your editing process efficient and effective. Let's get started by opening up your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. This is the first and foremost step, as having your document open is necessary for you to utilize any of the features we'll be discussing today. Once your document is open, you'll be ready to dive in. Now, let's explore the comment feature. Look at the toolbar and click on Comment. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on Comment, you activate the mode that allows you to place comments directly onto your document. Navigate to the specific area where you want to add your observations or notes. Click at the spot and a comment box will appear. Type in your comment, then hit Post to embed it into the document. This method allows you to input ideas and suggestions without altering the actual text, keeping your original content intact yet enhanced with your insights. After you've gotten the hang of commenting, it's time to explore the highlighting tool. Highlighting is perfect for drawing attention to essential sections of your text. Spot the highlight icon in the toolbar and give it a click. You'll see various color options pop up, allowing you to select a color that resonates with your style or needs. Once you've picked your color, simply click and drag over the text you want to emphasize. Instantly, your text will be adorned with a color that piques the reader's interest. Should you require more ways to manipulate the appearance of your text, the strike through and underline tools are invaluable. Situated next to the highlight tool, they function similarly. Select your tool of choice and drag over the text you wish either to strike out or underline. These tools are particularly useful in editing scenarios, such as when pointing out errors or underscoring significant points in your drafts. Next up is the drawing tool, particularly useful when you need to add a personal touch, freehand notes, or shapes directly onto your document. By selecting the drawing tool from the toolbar, you're empowered to craft lines, arrows, or shapes. This helps to make important sections in your document stand out even more. Now, to manage or review your comments, look to the right pane of your Acrobat window. There, clicking on the comment icon will open a detailed view of all comments made on the document. This panel not only allows you to see every comment, but also gives you the facility to reply to or delete them as needed. Finally, remember to save your document so all your hard work and meticulous annotations aren't lost. Click Save or choose Save As from the menu in the top left corner to secure your changes and comments. And there you have it. You've mastered how to effectively use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat, turning your PDFs into vibrant, interactive documents. Thank you for watching, and happy annotating.